guys, it's Jan from Jandle in the City. If you're new to my channel or if you're returning, welcome or welcome back. My channel is all about luxury unboxings, pre-loved items, and on occasion some beauty products. If you think this is something that you might be interested in, hit that subscribe button below and that notification bell and you'll know when I've uploaded new videos. So if you want to see what I'm unboxing next, guys, keep on watching. So guys, today's video is going to be a short one. It's going to be an unboxing of two pairs of shoes. One pair is from Karl Lagerfeld. The other is a pair from Eldelman. So if you want to see what I'm unboxing, keep on watching. So guys, before we get started with the unboxing, I wanted to show you the purse of the day that I am currently using. It is my wallet on chain by Kurt Geiger in the black puffy leather. I just love it, guys. It's so convenient to use it. Very spacious inside with the beautiful eagle head and the brass tone hardware. And it's got this really nice big pocket on the back for my phone. So if you haven't seen that unboxing video, guys, I'll link it below. The nail polish of the day, guys, is this pink polish and clear polish. The pink one is from Butter London. I had that in a previous video, so I wanted to share that. I wanted to show you guys what I'm wearing. It's my new Chanel brooch. This one was released in November 2020. So this is the first time I'm wearing it, guys. I really love it a lot. It really dresses up even just a simple turtleneck. So guys, I've gone ahead and I've taken them out of the shipping boxes to save some time. I've got the two pair of shoes that I want to share with you. One is from Eldelman, the other one is from Karl Lagerfeld. So let's go ahead, guys, and we will unbox the Karl one first. So let's just put this aside. Comes in this really nice black and white box. Go ahead and take the lid off, guys. And this is how they came, with all the tissue paper and the plastic to protect them. Go ahead and remove this. I love the color, guys. This is perfect for summertime. Let's get that one out of the way. Remove it from its plastic. Take its stuffing out. These are gorgeous wedges for summer. They're not too high. I think they're a 3-inch. And it's got the raffia detail. I like this as well. That is reminiscent of the Chanel leather on their strap, as well as the gold hardware on this one. This is real leather that's woven in and out. Close up detail, guys. And it is all around the shoe itself. And this is all leather. It's croc embossed. I just love this. Cannot wait to try these. Let's go ahead and take the other one out, guys. And I like the paper that it comes in. The Karl paper is really nice as well. This is the plastic. And I did find these online at thebay.com. They were on a clearance price of $89.99 Canadian dollars. So there's the two of them. They're really nice. They're not heavy at all. They're a lightweight. I just love the detail. Reminds me of Chanel. These also give you the look like they are crocodile, without the very steep price tag. So you get the look for less. These ones I picked up in a size 6. They are also true to size. So there, guys, is my first pair of shoes. I've gone ahead, guys, and I have paired it with my yellow multicolor kimono, which will be great for the summertime, as yellow, orange, and green are in for the season. These shoes are very comfortable. I like the wide band it has to hold your foot in place so it's not flopping all around. Great support. They're not too high of a wedge for someone of my age that can stand quite comfortably, move around in them, not too high. They are a nice structured shoe, very nice. Love the color, true to size. My foot is not hanging over the front or hanging over the back, which is really nice. It's hard to get a shoe that is the proper size. They are gorgeous, guys. And they did come in other colors. They came in a black, a pink, a gray suede, an ivory, but unfortunately they were all sold out. I did get these on a clearance price, and I'm so happy that I did. Next one is by Sam, and if anybody knows that's following me, they know I really like the Sam Eldelman Loafers. I've got quite a few pairs of those. I should do a video on my Sam collection. So let's go ahead, guys. Take this one out of the box. It comes like this with the Sam wrapping. And I did try to get these in pink and Gucci, but unfortunately I don't even see them on the site anymore. So this was my alternative. They're gorgeous shoes, guys. Let me take the paper out. And they are all leather. Oh, this is really wedged in there tight. Okay, we got it out. There we go, guys. The camera is not picking it up very well. They are a light pink, but on camera they're kind of showing up mauvey. I really like the gold detail here on the hardware. They're all leather with a suede type, not really suede, an inner leather inside with a suede on the back heel there. And it is made of a leather sole. You can see Sam on the bottom with a 1-inch heel. And I have feet problems, so I have to wear orthotics. This is the only shoe that I have found that I don't have to wear my orthotic. Let's go ahead and take the other one out. It's such a nice looking shoe. So if you don't want to make the big purchase of a Gucci shoe that is over 1,000 Canadian dollars, this is a good alternative. And I picked these ones up in a size 6, and they are true to size. There's the bottom. I just love the color on these ones, guys. They're called the Lorraine Loafer. Very comfortable. They've got the extra cushion in the heel for that support if you're standing all day. And they are all genuine leather, well as leather on the sole. Croc embossed. Like I said, true to size. Love the detail. Very flexible as you're walking, wearing. Overall, a very, very good, stable shoe. So if you're looking for a loafer for summer, for work, for just running around in, without the hefty price tag, then I would suggest going with these. They are a very nice looking shoe. So guys, remember, define your style. Don't be afraid to express it, because that's who you are. Stay safe. Till next time.